Okay, so negative 2, 5. I'm recording just so you can see you can have this to share.
Okay.
So I can share this with you. So negative 2 comma 5 is right there. And negative 1 comma 2 is right here. Negative 2, sorry.
Okay, I'm pretty sure I did place them on the right place then.
So midpoint has to be halfway between.
I kind of interpreted that as just like the
Mhm.
first point which it has,
Right.
or the
Well,
only one.
here's the thing. It has to be halfway between. So look at the x coordinates. You have to average the x coordinates, right? Because what's halfway between negative 2, negative 1? Let's say you have a number line, right? What's halfway between negative 2 and negative 1?
Negative 1.5.
No. Good. Yeah, exactly. Let's look at 5 and negative 2. If I do another number line, so essentially you're averaging negative 2 and 5. Now it's halfway between those two.
2.
Close. 1.5. Because if you average it, you have to add them up and divide by 2. That's 3 over 2, which is 1.5. Plus this equal distance, 3.5 needed direction.
Oh,
So you have that.
1.5, 1.5.
Well, negative 1.5, comma 1.5.
Yeah, negative 1.5, 1.5.
So now let's do BC. Negative 1, negative 2, and negative 4, comma negative 1.
Is it negative 2.5?
Mm-hmm. 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 And the other one?
Negative 1.5?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I did not get this right at all.
But now you are. That's okay.
Yay.
Now you are. You're learning it. That's all that matters.
Also, did my profile picture change for you to like something else?
No, just some cartoon.
Yeah, I changed it to that. It's just from a game
It
I've
looks like
been
it from a
playing.
game. Yeah. The last one, AC.
The first one, is it like negative 3.5?
Not quite.
Was I
So
close?
yeah, you are. Well, not really.
Oh,
Well, kind of. Actually, you are close. Sorry, my bad.
yay. I was close.
You're between negative 2 and negative 4.
That's improvement.
Well, it's between negative 2 and negative 4.
Oh, it's just 3.
Right, negative 3.
I thought about it a little bit too much.
Um, well, it's halfway between 5 and negative 1.
1.5?
Mm, 4/2.
Uh, 2?
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
Because they'd be halfway between -1 and 5.
I also, fun fact about
Yep.
this image which I have as my profile picture. As far as I've seen, it's probably going to show up in every single chapter of the game once.
Mm.
Not sure if that's true or not because I haven't played the entire game yet, and I'm struggling on a boss. It's taken me nearly 2 days to beat it.
Okay, now let's find distance. So you want the Pythagorean theorem?
Pythagorean theorem? Oh, that.
Right. So that's one. And you go from -2 to 5, that's 7. And that's C.
I've kind of forgotten all about this because I haven't really used it in a long time.
It's all right. But if you solve for C, what do you got?
8 to the power of 2.
Say again?
8 to the power of 2.
No.
Uh,
What's 1 squared?
1 and then
49.
so then it's 50 to the power of 2.
50, square root of 50,
Oh,
which is 5√2 because it's 25 times 2
okay.
to get 5√2.
Okay then. I have a question that might be related to math.
Yeah, go ahead.
It's more like related to how much I've played this game in the past 3 days. I have 18 hours in it, and I bought it 3 days ago.
Mhm.
How much of my time have I put into it?
18 hours.
No, like of the days, like added up all together. Like
18
the
hours
con
each day
no, 18
or
hours
total?
altogether.
So 6 hours a day.
Good God, that's a fourth of my day.
It is.
I'm very addicted to this game.
It's okay. Summer. We'll have to stop.
Yeah, I have time to kill.
The school starts. Okay, so let's go find AB now. Sorry, BC. So let's find the length of each leg.
Is the one to the right one? Or is that to the I get no that
Hmm?
no, that's the left.
I know what you meant.
Okay.
And if you do Pythagorean theorem, what do you got?
10.
Root
Eh,
10.
2 over 5 or 5 over 2?
Root 10.
Or just 10?
I mean, yeah, 5 and 2, but they're not perfect squares.
Oh, so it's just 10.
Hmm? That's the AC.
The one on the bottom, is it 2?
Mm-hmm. Wait. Yeah, Sue, right. I went too far. Mm-hmm.
The one to the right is 6. So C is 16.
Mm-hmm. 2 squared.
Uh, 2 squared is 4. Oh, wait. No, C is 40.
Mm. So you should get 2 root 10.
Okay then.
So instead of doing the formula, this formula looks like this. Looks kind of crazy. Subtract x, subtract y's. Right. Yeah, it's just easier. Just use Pythagorean theorem because that's where it comes from.
Okay then. I will keep that in mind.
And we have all the sides. We have root 40, so 2 root 10. We had 5 root 2. And we had root 10.
Oh yeah, I also went to Google.
Sorry, what was that?
I went to Google, I think last week.
Oh, the headquarters?
No, no, wait, it was the other week.
Okay.
No, one in like San Francisco.
Hmm. The office.
Yeah, I got pens.
Cool.
Got pens from Google and a water bottle.
Nice. It's got some swag.
I also got a sticker, but I already put it on my laptop.
Okay, well, you're making good use of it. Um,
Yeah. Now I just don't have a singular like pack of stickers on it now.
who do you know at Google?
Huh?
Do you know someone there at Google?
No. No, I don't.
Were you taking a
They
tour
were
of
just
the
yeah, we just
campus?
giving a tour because of the program which I'm in.
Oh, cool. Okay. Nice. Anyway, if you would do Pythagorean theorem here, you get 10 plus 40 equals 50. So 50 equals 50, and there you go. So that's gonna be a right triangle. That's what we generate here. So if I plot the points again, so okay. Well, let's do some solving. So you want to move everything to one side first. We have to do this diamond thing we talked about in the past. Hold on a sec here.
Yeah, I remember.
So do you remember what to put up top and what to put on the bottom?
Think it was. Do we put the x squared on the top? Or is that wrong?
No, you put 8 up top.
8 on top.
And you remember what to put below?
6x? X squared?
You put 6. So you gotta find two numbers that multiply to 8 and add to 6.
Uh, 2? Uh,
Um,
th-
x plus 2, x plus 4. So you get -2 and -4.
okay, then.
So that's how you factor it. So let's now try this one here. That's called difference of two squares. If you want, you could think of it like this: p squared plus 0p minus 4. So you can put -4 up top and 0 down below. So you have to multiply it to this and add to this.
-2 and +2?
Yeah, good. So p minus 2, p plus 2. Oh, give me a sec here. Sorry.
Okay, then.
So p equals 2, -2. Let's try this one here. This one's a little more complicated.
I'm going to grab my calculator.
So you always do a times c up top and b on the bottom. You have to get 0 on the other side because we're looking to factor it. Because once you have it factored, you want each factor equals 0 because any times 0 is 0. So you gotta find two numbers that multiply to -90, but add to -27. So what two numbers would do that for us? So what two numbers would multiply to -90 and add to -27?
I am doing it on my
Okay, take your time.
calculator.
Take your time. Ah, we'll start with -1 and 90. Right, that won't work. And slowly increase one side and decrease the other side. Will that work? -2 and 45?
Uh,
What's -2 plus 45?
uh, 43,
Okay. What's the next pair going to be?
-3,
And 30?
30.
But we'll reverse to make it 3 and -30. Oh, sorry, we're not supposed to do that just yet. So that's going to work for us. I mean, -3 and 30 is not quite there because it's +27, so you do 3 and -30. Then I do a box like this. Now, I'm going to have you write on the screen because I think I need you to do some stuff here. You always put the leading term in the upper left corner and the constant in the lower right corner.
Oh, I didn't realize that I could write.
Yeah, pretty cool, huh?
I thought I wasn't able
So
to.
what I'd like you to do is write 3x in the lower left corner. Good.
I am
Yeah.
not used to writing.
Okay, it looks good. Great, actually. And write -30x in the top right corner. Now, let me ask this question. Looking at the first row, what's the factor of those two terms? What can I factor out of that?
5.
You have 5x, and that'll be x.
Something. Oh, 6.
-6, exactly. So you get that.
Oh,
And then you solve it I set this equal to 0. You get those two answers.
Oh, 0 and 6.
Yeah, x equals 6, x equals -3/5.
Uh, oh, okay then.
Okay. Let's not do the quad form. No, it's not factorable, actually.
Oh,
Actually, you know what? Hold on. Yeah, no, go and do that. That's fine.
oh,
That's fine. Go and do that.
should I delete mine? I'll just do that. Uh, Does that work or?
You want to put 10x up top. So 10 up top.
Oh,
And you always put b down below.
so then this goes down here, or am I misinterpreting this?
You put -7 down below.
Oh, oh, so, um, would that work?
Yeah, good. So then you make a box.
Or no? So does 10 go here?
No, you put five. You put two there. You always put the last term in there. I'm glad. I'm glad you're. There's there's learning in the struggle, so it's good. And you put 5x squared in the upper left corner.
So then does 7 go here or
You put negative 2x because that's why you split the middle term.
oh
You split negative 7x and negative 2 and negative 5.
that's right. So this is the correct way to do it, right?
Yeah, then what can you take out of that first row?
X or
Yeah, just x in the no the first row. Yeah,
so
good, good, good. Keep going. You're doing great. Keep going. You're doing great.
is this right?
Yeah, good. So you have x minus 1,
Yay.
5x minus 2. So if you solve the first one, you should get x equals 1. Solve the second one, you should get x equals 2/5. Now, if you did quad form, it would look like this. The negative b, which is 7, plus or minus b squared, minus 4ac, all over 2a. So it's 7 plus or minus 3 over 10. So you have 1 and 2/5. So we still get the same thing if you do it that way. Let's practice this one more time.
So we can do this,
Actually, we
right?
can't factor it this time because if you do that, put 10 and 2. You're not gonna find terms that multiply 10 add to 2.
Ah, so then what do we do?
Quad form.
Oh,
So it's
oh,
negative
that.
b, right? But then it gets kind of weird because inside the radical is negative. And so we just say no solution or no real solution.
Oh.
So when you factor, when you simplify these, you could do it like this.
So we just do that?
But then you can break it apart like this. So it's just a way of simplifying a radical because you might have to do that in geometry sometimes. Here, I just picked 32 and 10, but I could break it down even further. As 16 and 2. That's root 5 and root 2. So it's 4 times 2 times root 5, which is 8 root 5. Or that one right there would be 2 root 2. This one's 49. You have to use a calculator to kind of make sense of it.
That is going to be tricky
So,
to
yeah.
remember.
And then just a sense of completion, if you look at this one here, negative 5 equals n squared. When you square root, that's a problem. So, yeah, this doesn't work. So, there'd be no real solution for that one also. Okay. So we complete this whole packet, which is good. Um, let's do a little extra stuff here. Let me pull this one assessment I'm giving my students on Friday.
Well, I have a question for you.
Hmm?
How many days is 188 hours?
I've used a calculator for that one.
Uh, because I've played one of my
It's,
games
it's
for
like almost
that
eight
many.
days. Almost eight.
That's a week.
Yeah, more than a week.
I spent nearly a week in one game.
Probably spread over a few months, hopefully, or 2 or 3 months.
One playthrough.
That's crazy. All right, let's do some
Yeah,
fact.
but it is with like additions from fans of the game.
Got it.
But still, 7 weeks. That is insane. And more than like, I'm pretty sure half of that was just dedicated to one boss. Yeah, it was.
What game was it?
Terraria.
I never heard of it.
It's got like really good mods.
Okay, well, what's mods?
And
What does that mean?
additions made by the community.
Like
It's just a it's
modifications?
just a term. Yeah, I'm pretty
Modification or for
sh
modification? Got it. I understand.
yeah.
Okay,
We've just shortened it to mods just for simplicity's sake and also speaking.
got it. Got it.
Uh yeah, but one of the bosses, utter bullshit.
What is it? Why is that a problem? What do you mean with the bosses?
One singular boss, the Devourer of Gods. It is one of the most unfair fights I have ever done. I had everything min-maxed. I have everything perfect.
Hmm.
And I was struggling. I was at the strongest point which you could get there without glitches. And I was struggling heavily.
Hmm.
That boss is unbelievably unfair.
Well, let's try this next one here. So let's try factoring.
Okay then. Uh,
So what two numbers multiply -48 and add to 13?
uh,
Or always start with one in itself and then whittle your way to the middle.
so -2.
Got it. Good. -316.
Oh,
And when the leading term has a coefficient of 1, you don't see a number there besides, when you don't see a number there, you assume it's what?
I passed over 3 when I was thinking because I thought of it as a positive.
So you have R
Now
minus
it's
3, R
a
plus
negative.
16, right? Hmm?
I'm going to.
So you had 3 and -16. So okay. Um, Now for number two, you want to find the greatest common factor first. What can you pull out of that? What are all of them divisible by? 9, 6, 6, and 21.
9, 6, 6, and 21.
Where I wrote it for you.
Wait. Oh, 3.
Three, right. So when you pull a 3 out, what's left behind?
Uh, well, 9 would be gone.
Well, you do 9 divided by 3, right? Which is
So just another 3?
the 3x squared. Keep going.
So then 6,
Plus,
22,
mm-hmm, plus,
7.
to do A times C, and you put B down here. So what two numbers multiply to 21 add up to 22?
Uh,
Should be pretty straightforward.
oh, 21 and 1.
Right. But because the leading term is 3, so you have to look at what happens after we factor things out. We can pull out the first row.
This is X.
Sure, keep going. You're doing great.
This is
Good.
1.
Mm-hmm.
This is 3X. And this is 7.
Correct. So you can add 1/3 and 7. Okay. What do we do? Let's practice this real fast. Just make sure you got this. Then we can wrap it up for today.
I just looked back on some logs. I actually recorded how long it took me to beat that boss.
How long?
The fight is took 3 minutes and 34 seconds when I actually beat it, and it took me 214 attempts.
It's crazy. I used to play video games a lot when I was a kid.
Yeah, and the highest any other boss got me to was like 30.
Huh.
Yeah, that boss is very unbalanced. And there are even harder versions.
So if you do Pythagorean theorem, that's 8. And that's 10. We'll call it C. And so it's 2 root 41.
I think my sweat is like left on my laptop.
That's not good. Let's
Like
see the
there's sweat stains in between the
that's gross.
keys.
Yeah, you damage your laptop, that happens. So I was on a train and working on a project, and
It's
it's like,
specifically around the number keys, the escape key, the volume key,
hmm.
and ERF.
Well, maybe I want to take a break after we finish this so it dries up. But yeah, I was on a trip to my wife and I in Portugal 7 years
Strangely,
ago,
not
and
the
same thing
movement
happened. It was
keys.
hot in the train and sweating. And let's finish this off really fast. What's that? What's halfway between 6 and -4? So halfway between 6 and -4. Are you still there? Hello?
Yeah, I'm just doing it. One?
You could. What's halfway between -2 and 10? Actually, I graphed this really well.
Four?
Good. That's midpoint. So we'll stop there for today. Um,
Okay.
Actually,
Well,
let's write the equation line really fast. If you get um, the slope is going to be up, actually down 8, right 10. Hold on. Sorry, down 12. Oh shit. I got that wrong. This was 12. Darn it. So that should have been 244. Hold on a sec. Oh man. Yeah, 2 root 61 was the distance. So I got that off a little bit. And then but anyway, the slope is down 12, right 10. You can do point slope form, so y plus 2, -6/5, x minus 6.
oh yeah, the final boss was actually easier than the boss which I struggled with. I did it first try.
What game is this again?
Terraria.